In this video, we listed the 5 best drones under $50 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro Max Drone. The Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro Max Drone is a professional quadcopter designed for aerial photography, equipped with impressive features for capturing high-quality images and videos. With a sturdy build of plastic, metal, and electronic components, this drone boasts an 8K camera with 150 degrees electric adjustment for versatile shooting angles. The drone comes in a sleek black color and is powered by an 816 brushless motor, providing a flight time of approximately 46 minutes. The remote control operates on a 5 GHz frequency with 6 channels and has a range of 5,000 m. Additional features include obstacle avoidance, one-key takeoff/landing, various flight modes, and a dual camera setup for enhanced photography capabilities. The package includes the drone, remote control, battery, charging cable, spare blades, screwdriver, and manual. With its advanced specifications and functions, the Xiaomi Mijia Z908 Pro Max Drone is a top choice for professional aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 2. S6 Quadcopter. The S6 Quadcopter by DJI is a feature-packed drone designed for aerial photography and recreational flying. With a foldable design for easy portability, this drone is equipped with GPS positioning for precise flight control. It offers 2 camera options, 5G Wi-Fi 8K single camera or 5G Wi-Fi 8K dual cameras with a wide 120 degrees FOV. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time image transmission up to 3000 m. Features include altitude hold, orbital movement, waypoint flight, headless mode, one-touch return, and takeoff/landing functions. With a flight time of 20 minutes and a range of 5,000 m, the S6 Quadcopter provides a stable and enjoyable flying experience. The package includes the drone, remote control, lithium battery, charging cable, spare blades, screwdriver, and user manual. With robust construction, multiple flight modes, and advanced features like LED lights, follow mode, and surround flight, the S6 Quadcopter is suitable for both beginners and intermediate users looking to explore aerial photography and drone flying. Number 3. JJRC H107 8K Drone. The JJRC H107 Mini RC drone with all-round protective guard is a versatile and user-friendly drone suitable for beginners, intermediates, and experts alike. With a lightweight design and protective guard, this drone is safe to fly indoors and outdoors. It features functions such as sideward flight, altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, 3D flips, Wi-Fi FPV, speed control, and headless mode for easy operation. The drone comes in options with no camera, 4K camera, or 8K camera, offering high-quality imaging capabilities. The drone is controlled via a 4G4CH remote controller with a control distance of about 100 m. Equipped with a 7V 350 mAh/500 mAh built-in battery, the drone offers a flight time of about 8 minutes and a charging time of approximately 50 minutes. The package includes spare propellers, a USB charger, a cell phone holder for 4K/8K camera versions, and a user manual. With features like altitude hold, 3D flips, and Wi-Fi FPV, the JJRC H107 provides an enjoyable and immersive drone flying experience for users of all skill levels. Number 4. Lenovo F88 Drone. The RC Quadcopter by Lenovo is a feature-packed drone designed for capturing high-quality aerial footage and providing an immersive flying experience. Equipped with advanced technology such as a pressure sensor for altitude setting, optical flow localization for precise positioning, and a 4000 per kV ESC for efficient performance, this drone ensures stable and smooth flights. The 8K HD camera with a self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization lens offers stunning image and video quality, with the ability to adjust the camera angle for versatile shots. The drone boasts a control distance of 5,000 m, a flight time of approximately 35 minutes, and a quick charging time of about 1 hour via USB. With features like gesture shooting, customizable routes, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors for power and durability, this drone provides a user-friendly experience for both beginners and experienced users. The package includes the RC Quadcopter, a remote control, a 7V 2200 mAh lipolymer battery, spare propellers, a USB charging cable, a screwdriver, and user manuals, making it a comprehensive and ready-to-use drone package for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 5. V8 New Mini Drone. The 4D V8 drone by Aliexpress is a compact and versatile quadcopter designed for aerial photography and fun flying experiences. With options for different camera resolutions, including 30W400 80p, 500W10 80p, and 4K, users can capture stunning photos and videos from the sky. Equipped with features like altitude hold mode for stable flight, headless mode for easy orientation, and one-button return for effortless navigation back home, this drone offers a user-friendly experience for pilots of all levels. The built-in Wi-Fi function allows for real-time transmission of photos and videos to a mobile device, while the ability to draw a flight path on the screen enables autonomous flying along a specified route. With LED lights for enhanced visibility, 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, and a 6-axis gyroscope for smooth flight control, this drone provides a dynamic and enjoyable flying experience. The package includes the drone, a remote control, a 7V 650 mAh battery, a USB charging cable, spare blades, protection covers, and a manual, making it a comprehensive and ready-to-fly package for drone enthusiasts.